What up, Burrs Cards? Back at it again with some more mail. I keep doing it, guys. Another break result package I got today. Y'all know my channel by now. Pretty much 80% of my uploads is mail that I receive. So it's something I like to do. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. I do get in some packs, some hangers, a couple boxes here or there. But I like the aspect of the breaks, the gambling aspect of it, and my LCS doesn't carry much product, I should say. So this is a fun way for me to get into a lot of the hobby products. I do pick up some retails, some hangers, some blasters, deals like that, so you guys have seen those before. But this is an easy, fun, exciting way, I should say, for me to get into the hobby product. So that's what I have for today, another little mail package. But first, I want to shout out my guy, West Virginia Aaron. He hooked me up on my logo. I was able to resize it, a couple things to it, so now that's my new backdrop. So I hope you guys are digging that. He does super clean work. If you guys are interested in him hooking you up with the logo, feel free to leave me a message, leave me a comment. I have all his contact info. He's real good. We went back and forth for 2-3 days, what I wanted, what he had in mind, and we collabed. We got this together. So, like I said, get at me if you want his info. He does super clean work. He's a really good guy. So, without further ado, this is from the 2019 Score Football. It was a 12-box full case break. You know how I feel about the Score. A lot of base. The rookies are on their college uni still, so it is what it is. Personal opinion for sure. I probably won't buy a hobby box myself, but I saw this auction going, thought it'd be cool to jump on that. I did only pick up the Colts, so this is kind of just the 2019 PC builder for me. Hoping to score auto, some rookies, some inserts, things like that. So I saw this going, had to jump on it, and let's get into it. One thing that drew me to it is that all cards did ship. I've seen a few Score breaks going on that only inserts rookies ship. So this was kind of a drawn thing to me. You know, a lot of base, but still can't go wrong with picking up base of your favorite team for sure. So I remember, man, this thing's packaged up good. I do remember quite a few of the things I did pick up. I don't believe there was an auto, but there were some super short print inserts that I got. Those are definitely worth showing y'all. The base is just going to get ripped through pretty fast. I'll highlight a few of the rookies that I get. Paris Campbell and Rock Ya-Sin definitely are the rookies that are going for the Colts this year. Rock, early second round of the Colts' first pick. Paris Campbell, their third pick. So looking to have a much better, high improved offense with Campbell. And there you go right there. Campbell, another one. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. And that's 9. So not a bad start for what I paid. I got 9 Paris Campbell rookies. Thank you. Vinatieri captains. Some base, Ebron, Mack, Wilkins. Don't need to tell you all those. There's a nice one right there. Andrew Luck signal callers. Nice little shine on that bad boy. Some more base. There we go. A Luck fantasy. Okay. More base, more base, more base. Captain's Andrew Luck insert. Captain Andrew Luck. Vinatieri captain. Put that right there. There we go. There we go. Scorecard Darius Leonard. Defensive Rookie of the Year. Super big time player. Now that they have him and Justin Houston, that defense is going to be something. Let me tell you. Hines, this is my boy right here. Got about 30 autos of him. So first 2019 of him. Just keep going, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Captain Vinatieri again. I was pretty pleased. You know, out of all the product of this 2019 Score I've seen opened, a few decent autos. I've watched quite a few breaks on online, obviously. There's another Darius Leonard. And you know, nothing super crazy. Nothing super crazy. No Murrays, no Bosas, nothing like that. But it's just tough product. Early in the season. Just wait till after preseason, start of the year. There's gonna be some nasty products coming out. I'm looking forward. I'll definitely do hobby boxes of those. So stay tuned. I do have a 6-box select basketball. Captain Andrew Luck again. 6-box select basketball break I was in. Picked up 3 teams that should be here in the next day or two. So I'll show you what I picked up in that. I picked up a few good pieces too for sure. So what's that? Was that another Paris Campbell? Does that make it number 10? Okay, so we got 10 Paris Campbells. Now here's my boy Rock. I'm starting to work on an autograph collection of him for 2019. So if anybody has any Rock you see in autos and you see anything that I have available, get at me. Instagram Burrs cards, of course, and we could work something out because you know, I'm always trying to get some nice autos of the rookies. You never know how they're going to pan out for sure. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How about that? 10 Paris Campbells, 10 Rocky Sins. Now, if both of these guys could become 14-year superstars, Hall of Famers, I would say I got my money back tenfold for this break. So, you know, super fun, guys. Hope you guys are digging it. I have a lot of fun. I'm laughing right now because it's just a good time for me. A lot's changed. I just got back into the hobby a few months ago. I was a big-time collector late 90s, early 2000s, and kind of fell out of it. It seemed like it got super watered down and just kind of wasn't exciting. Had a lot going on in my life. So now I'm back into it. I've got in contact with a few people on Instagram and through the internet and just seeing what's good, what to do, what not to do. So I'm having a blast doing it though, guys. Another signal caller's Andrew Luck. There we go, another one of those, about the, what's that, 34 of those. There we go, and then that's all base. Now this is what I was pretty excited to get. The first 2 or 3 boxes of the break were pretty dry, and I was like, oh man, I was kind of bumming a little bit, and was hoping something came up. He was flying through the base super fast, so I only saw 2 or 3 each of these rookies I picked up. So I'm pretty stoked I got 10 of each. That definitely makes me a happy guy. So here are the hits. We got a nice red zone Andrew Luck. As you can see, that's numbered at 20. Very nice card right there. We'll save that one for last. We got the Eric Ebron Artist Proof at a 35. You kind of see that there. It's kind of shining off the light there. There you go, 35, and that Luck was out of 20. Right there. So like I said, it was pretty dry to start, and I was kind of getting a little down. But then, excuse me, about the 4th box in, we saw a little green flash. I know it's only Eric Ebron, but the end zone, 2 of 6. Very nice, super short print. I saw an interview with him. He's looking to score 17 touchdowns this year receiving as a tight end. So I'm super pumped for my Colts, super pumped for the offense with Paris Campbell, T.Y. Obviously, they picked up Funchess, red zone threat, but I'm looking for them to have big years. So I was stoked with that. 2 of 6, Ebron end zone, the red zone out of 20, Luck, and the Artist Proof out of 35. So not too bad for a one-teamer. Case break of the score. It was pretty inexpensive for sure. So a lot of fun. There you go, and stay tuned. I got a few more things coming. There's a couple single player breaks I was in. That select basketball coming up in a day or two whenever I get that in the mail. And y'all know the drill. Like, subscribe, get at me on Instagram, follow me, I'll follow you. That's how the world works, y'all. So until next time, Burrs Cards out.